how to add writings to your video on TikTok as you are talking is writing. It is called captions. You can do that for free on TikTok, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. Very simple. But before I continue, there is important information that I'm going to talk about at the end of this video. Don't forget, don't skip. So guys, don't forget to follow, like and share. Let's go. First up, open your TikTok app and click on the plus sign. Head over and add the video you want to upload. Once that is done, click on next. Look at the right side, you will see the options available there. Click on that arrow here and you will see caption. Then click on caption and it will start generating immediately. Allow it to generate 100%. Do not leave the app. Once it's done generating, you will see everything here. Check the one you need to cross check and type in the correct one. Then check the style you need. There are a few styles here that you can apply. Apply anyone and you're done. So guys, do you know that some people might not be able to see this caption that I'm talking about on their TikTok app? So here is the truth. Your TikTok is not updated. All you need to do right now is to update your TikTok, and you're going to get these features that were added recently. So if you do not have an updated TikTok, you might not be able to access it. So go right now and update your TikTok.